Acne affects about 85% of people, especially teenagers and young adults. It mainly happens due to 4 reasons: excess oil, clogged pores, bacteria, and inflammation. Even a small increase of 10 to 20% in oil production can lead to breakouts. When you understand this, it becomes easier to follow a routine that actually works. This is the best skincare routine for acne in 2026, explained step by step in simple and clear language. The first step is cleansing. Your skin collects oil, dirt, and bacteria throughout the day. If not removed, pores can clog quickly. A gentle cleanser used twice a day can remove up to 90% of dirt and oil. Morning cleansing removes overnight oil, while night cleansing clears pollution and bacteria. Washing your face more than 2 times can increase oil production and make acne worse. The second step is chemical exfoliation. Normally, skin sheds dead cells every 28 days, but acne-prone skin often slows down this process. This leads to clogged pores. Chemical exfoliants like salicylic acid clean deep inside pores and can reduce blockages by nearly 50%. They are more effective than physical scrubs, which can irritate the skin. Using them 2 to 3 times a week is enough. The third step is treatment. Acne treatments target bacteria and inflammation. Ingredients like benzoyl peroxide can reduce acne-causing bacteria by up to 99%. Retinoids help increase skin cell turnover and prevent clogged pores. These treatments take time, and results usually appear after 4 to 6 weeks of regular use. The fourth step is moisturizing. Many people skip this, but it is important. When skin becomes dry, it produces more oil, sometimes up to 30% more. A lightweight, oil-free moisturizer keeps the skin balanced and helps it heal faster. The fifth step is sun protection. Sun exposure can increase inflammation and make acne marks darker. UV rays can worsen skin condition by up to 40%. Using sunscreen daily protects the skin and prevents long-term damage, even on cloudy days. Consistency is very important. Skin renewal takes about 28 to 40 days, so results are not instant. Following the routine daily helps the skin improve over time. Hygiene also matters. Dirty pillowcases and touching your face can transfer bacteria and cause breakouts. In conclusion, acne can be managed with a simple routine of cleansing, exfoliating, treating, moisturizing, and sun protection. Staying consistent is the key to clear skin. Comment your thoughts, like this video, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful skincare content.